So at the time of this video, we had already cleaned the wood-burning fireplace glass for the season. So what we do is we usually take a heavy solution of ProSol Works, and then we spray it on. This is kind of awkward. So we spray it on, and we let it sit for about a good 10 minutes. And for demonstration purposes only, I'm just going to go ahead and just wipe this down. And so we generally wipe it down. Now, as you probably know, if you are a owner of a gas fireplace, sometimes you need to be a little more abrasive. So we use just a regular brush on areas that need to be are tough to get. And also we let it sit. We let the product sit on that hard to get area a lot longer, usually about a half hour, and within that time frame it has a tendency to dry, so we usually have to reapply ProSol Works several times, and eventually that'll loosen up to where usually you can use just a towel to clean it off. On occasion, a brush might be the best option for you. So that's how we clean glass fireplaces and the soot off of them.